Hello everyone. Let us discuss complex algebra required for the network analysis and synthesis. So this is a video uh, complex algebra part 2. In this video, we'll learn how to perform some basic operations on the complex numbers that are required for the network analysis and synthesis. Suppose there are two complex numbers z1 equal to x1 plus j y1 and another complex number is z2 equal to x2 plus j y2. Suppose we want to perform addition on these two complex numbers. So we can write z1 plus z2 equal to x1 plus x2 plus j y1 plus y2. So the real parts will be added together and imaginary part will add separately. So in this way we can add two complex number. Now suppose we want to perform subtraction on the complex number. Then we can write z1 minus z2, that will be equal to x1 minus x2 plus j y1 minus y2. In this way we apply subtraction on the complex numbers. But division and multiplication may be little bit difficult due to this rectangular form of complex numbers. So we will go with the polar form of the complex numbers for the multiplication and subtraction. Suppose there are two complex numbers z1 equal to r1 angle phi 1. This is one complex number. Another complex number is z2 equal to r2 phi 2. Angle is phi 2, where r1 was calculated. R1 is the magnitude of the complex number z1. R1 will be calculated at under root of x square, x1 square plus y1 square, and phi 1 will be calculated as tan inverse y1 by x1. For the complex number z2, r2 was calculated as under root of x2 square plus y2 square, and phi 2 is calculated as tan inverse y2 by x2. So after calculating these values from the rectangular complex numbers, we can apply division and multiplication. Suppose we want to apply multiplication on these two complex numbers, z1 multiplied with z2, then we can write r1 r2, and in the multiplication the angles will be added together. Suppose we want to apply division. So polar form will be the most suitable for the division purpose. So z1 by z2, and we already have the polar form of these two complex numbers, so we can write r1 divided by r2, and combined angle will be phi 1 minus phi 2. So this is the basic mathematics required for the network analysis synthesis. Thank you everyone.